lovely Airbnb, and it's a tiny house, and I'm obsessed with tiny houses, so this is like a dream come true. Anyways, how about I let you guys come in so you're not, you know, out in the cold. Come see the actual place. So as you can see, there is like a lot of beautiful wood, like this, yeah, wood, right? And like we have a little mini kitchen right here. Nothing too like major, it's just like a little kitchenette. So microwave, fridge, coffee, all this stuff we probably won't be using. And then this cute little sign, keep calm and carry on. There's a random window. Like a really random little window. And then right here, okay. Oh, there's no door on this side. Handle on this side.
Nope.
But right here, there's a cool looking bathroom. Come on in to my tiny bathroom. I'll turn the light on, but there's a little weird air conditioner thing. And then on this side we have a cool looking shower. So I can just hop in, take a shower, you know, do what you do in a shower. And then over here we actually have like a pretty nice like living area. This actually turns into a double bed. I'm not entirely sure how, but somehow it does. I just push this out. I don't know, we'll figure that out later. But then there's this little thing, what's it called? A table you can sit on with these. These are cool looking chairs. And then a beautiful big window you can't see anything out of. Really. But it has like some cute like decor on it. And then right here, it's like a kind of a random little space. I think it's supposed to be like a mud room. Because there's like little, yeah. Then there's another door. You open this, and a little patio. And look at this. Look how cool this is. We did not book this place, but there's also a little tree house that you can book. Like there's actual tree inside, which is cool. That one is only one bed though. But I'm like, dang, I wish we could have rented both. I could have had my own and you could have had your own. Okay. And then over here you will see, oh, that was hot. Let me close this door. Over here we have a loft bed. This looks like, oh, that's a drawer. Shut up. Oh, there's just pipes in it. But that's so cool. I was like, this looks suspicious. Up here, you have a loft bed. Come on up, CIERA. Oh! Don't put that in. And there's just this little double bed area. And there's some little windows right here, which is nice. It's a lot less claustrophobic than it seems, which is really nice. But yeah, that's our tiny house tour.